Welcome to Shipyaari. Today, I'll take you through everything that you can do on the new and improved Shipyaari panel. Come, let's make shipping hassle-free. Go to app.shipyaari.com to log into your account on the Shipyaari panel. Enter your ID and password to log in. Alternatively, you can also log into Shipyaari with your Google account if you had used your Google account to sign up. If you don't already have an account on Shipyaari, click on Sign Up to create an account. If you are logging in with your Google account, select the option Continue with Google and click on Continue. Now, you've logged into the future of shipping, the new Shipyaari dashboard. On the left side of the panel, you'll see the menu. Under the menu, select Dashboard and under that, Overview. Here you can see the overview of all your orders. You will find all the important information such as orders that need to be processed, delayed orders, RTO orders, and orders in weight discrepancy. If you scroll below, you can also see your revenue month on month, highest order value till date, your overall average order value, your revenue for that particular day, your month on month order count, value of COD orders month on month, and much more. Next, select Orders and under that View Orders in the menu. Here you can view all your draft orders. These are the orders that you have created but not yet placed. If you have already integrated any of your selling channels with the Shipyaari dashboard, you can view your orders across those channels. Simply click on the Sync Channel button on the top right corner of the dashboard and all your orders will get integrated into the dashboard and made visible. Next, to place those orders, you can just select those specific orders and click on the Place Orders button on the top right. You can also delete orders from here by selecting the order and clicking on the Delete Orders button. Next up, the most important part. To place a new order, navigate to the menu on the left side, click on Orders and then Add Order. If you already have pre-saved pickup addresses that you want to ship from, then select that address. Alternatively, if the pickup address is different from the saved ones, you can add a new address here along with the details of the pickup address, contact, operational hours and more and save it. You also get an option to mark the pickup address the same as the return address if needed. Finally, set the date and time that you want the order to be picked up. Click on Next on the bottom right and proceed to adding the delivery address of the order. Select the recipient type, whether consumer or business. The next step is to select the delivery address. You can either select that or add a new delivery address and save it. Additionally, you need to add the details of the delivery address, contact and save it. If your delivery address is the same as the billing address, then select this option. In case both addresses are different, unselect the option and enter your billing address below. This brings us to the Magic Address feature, which can help you reduce RTO by improving the accuracy of addresses, which help ensure higher successful delivery rates. All you need to do is simply enter the address and click on Fill. Magic Address will automatically fill all the address fields. Click on Next. Now, you need to add the products for your order. For that, click on Add Products to box 1. Select the products that you need to add to your order and click on Save. Next, you need to select the seller box type for the products you have selected and click on Save. If the order is a COD order, then select the COD option. If you need proof of delivery, then select POD. And if you need insurance for the given order, select the insurance option. Similarly, if the package is fragile, you can select the fragile option. Click on Next. At the time of adding an order, after you've selected the products and a box for it and save it as a combo, a weight freezing feature first gives you a warning in case there is a weight discrepancy in the weight mentioned by you versus the suggested weight by the system. If you wish to proceed with the same, you can avail our weight freezing feature. When you click on Freeze Weight, an automated request is sent to our system. The next step is to select the shipping service you prefer. It could either be by surface or by air. You get 3 recommended options in terms of cheapest, fastest and balanced shipping. Furthermore, you can also select among various options from our multiple carrier partners and select the right fit for you. Select and click on Next. In this stage, you can see the summary of the order you are placing, which includes the pickup details, RTO address, invoice value, delivery address, billing address, box details, and the service selected. If you wish to edit any details before placing the order, you can do it at this stage. Finally, click on Auto Generate to create an order ID and click on the Place Order button to successfully place the order on the Shipyaari panel. You can check all the orders you have booked under the Book tab in the View Orders section. Here, you can view the source, the order type, and other details of all the orders at one glance. The next step for you is to download the shipping label of the orders whose pickup is expected. To do so, select the orders and click on Download Label on the top. A PDF document with all the labels of the selected orders will be automatically downloaded. The next step is to download the manifest. To do so, select the orders and click on Download Manifest. And just like the shipping labels, the manifests for each order will be downloaded in a PDF format. Similarly, repeat the process to download the invoices for these orders by clicking on Download Invoice. A PDF document with all the invoices will get downloaded. Want to cancel an order? Select the orders from the Booked Orders tab and click on Cancel Order. Click on Yes to cancel the given order. You can also view all your cancelled orders under the Cancel tab in the View Orders section. Want to add bulk orders? Navigate to the Orders section, click on Add Bulk. First select the type of order, whether B2B or B2C. Then click on Download B2B or B2C sample and the sample CSV file will get downloaded. Refer to that file and follow the format to add details of all your orders and then upload the CSV file by clicking on Upload. Then click on Upload Bulk Order and you will get a message saying that your bulk orders are being processed successfully. You can track your orders with Shipyaari, and to do so, copy the tracking ID of the order whose status you want to check. Then navigate to the menu and select Tracking. Here, paste the tracking ID in the field and click on Track Order. You will then get the current status of the order in transit and all other details, such as pickup address, delivery address, and details of the product in the order. To recharge your Shipyaari wallet, navigate to the Wallet section in the menu and click on View Wallet. You can view your current wallet balance on the top right corner of the dashboard. Now to add money to your wallet, go to Select Amount and choose the amount of money you want to add as your wallet balance. Scroll down and select the payment gateway, which will take you to the page where you can select your payment method. Whether you want to use your debit or credit card, UPI, net banking, and other such payment options. Enter your payment details and proceed to pay. There you go, you just recharge your Shipyaari wallet. To view your transaction history, go to the Wallet panel and click on Transaction History. It will take you to a page where you can see each and every past transaction sorted by their dates, transaction IDs, order ID, and whether the past amount has been debited or credited. It also shows your wallet balance and description of the transactions. This page also shows you the status of your payment, whether it has been processed or failed. To see your current subscription plan or to update your subscription plan, you can go to Subscriptions and then click on Plan. As you can see, the current plan is a freemium plan and it also gives an overview of those plans. To integrate any e-commerce platform with the Shipyaari dashboard, go to Catalogues and click on Channel Integration. Here you can see that the available channels are Shopify, WooCommerce, Zoho, and Amazon. To integrate Shopify, click on the Integrate button, enter the store name on Shopify, the Shopify store URL, and the store token and click on Add Channel. To integrate WooCommerce, click on Integrate and enter your WooCommerce store URL and the store name and click on Add Channel. For Zoho, you'll have to enter the store name, client ID, client secret, code, organization ID and select Zoho.in. As for Amazon, you only need to enter the store name. On the next tab, there's an address book. Over here, you can add and save pickup and delivery addresses. To add a new address, click on Add Address. Select the address type, whether it is a pickup address or a delivery address. Enter the address name and the entire address along with the contact name and contact number and save it. You can view this new contact and address now in your address book and can easily access it when placing orders. With the new Shipyaari panel, shipping is going to be seamless like never before. How? With our revolutionary features such as Magic Address like we discussed before and Product in Box Catalog. Let's explore the Product Catalog feature first. To use that feature, navigate to the Product Catalog section under Catalogues in the menu. In this section, you will see all your products along with your channel integrations under the single Product tab. If you wish to add a product, click on Add Product and enter all your product details such as product name, select the category, enter the SKU number, its dimensions, weight, volumetric weight, product cost, and product tags, if any, and click on Save. Moving on to the combo product, in this section, you can create combos of your products that popularly sell together. To add a combo, click on Add Combo. Select the products you want to add to the combo. Click on Next and enter all the combo details such as combo name, volumetric weight, dead weight, and applied weight, and click on Save. Moving on to Box Catalog. Here, you can see the boxes that you've pre-saved. To create a box, click on Create Box. Enter the dimensions of the box, volumetric weight, give it a box name, mention the color, the price, and the dead weight, and click on Save. To get reports of your shipping history, navigate to the Report section under the menu. Select the report type and the date range for which you want the report and click on Fetch Report. Thanks for joining me on this quick tutorial. Should you have any doubts, please feel free to reach out to our team on business@shipyaari.com or let us know in the comments below.